Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Ashita and I post videos related to makeup, lifestyle, haul, vlogs and several fun challenges. So if you are interested in any of the topic, please don't forget to subscribe and also click the bell button beside it so you get notified every time I upload a video. So you have already read by the title what's today's video. Today I'm going to review the Real Technique brushes which I recently bought from Flipkart. So this is the set. This is the wait a second, it's ulta. So this is the set I got from there. This is the Real Technique Sam's Big Valentine something brush. I got this from Flipkart for just rupees 669 and there are 6 brushes, but I don't know if these are the original brushes or not. There was mention that they are from Real Technique, but I'm not sure. If anybody has created a dupe of the original Real Technique, you have done a very good job because this looks super beautiful, like super luxury. So yes, and the packaging is, oh my god, just look at the packaging. It comes in a box like this and I really liked it how it came. And also on the back side there are the pictures of all the brushes and they have a set exclusive which is a essential crease brush which is a exclusive on this. So I received this today in the morning. I ordered it from Flipkart as I said. So I wanted to get Real Technique brushes, but I wanted to get a set which was not available on Nykaa. There are like single brushes, but I wanted to get a set. So this is what I got. Okay, let's just open it and see how it is. So here is the set of these 6 brushes. I have seen so many people reviewing this on their YouTube channel, but so nobody has said that these are original or fake or not. So I don't know if these are original, but they look so gorgeous. So let me just pick up one of the brushes. So they on the body is very sleek and beautiful, and the brush bristles are very soft and fluffy. I really like this brush. It's so in the body they have mentioned that it's from Real Techniques by Sam and Nick Champman. And also sorry if my voice is little bit heavy, that's because I have got cold. It's already winter and I have not taken enough precautions to keep myself safe from this winter. So ये वो brushes है. These are there are 6 brushes. Let me pick all of them from the packaging. So yes, these are all the 6 brushes, and also this packaging is made up of sponge and it's very hard and stiff and not like the loosey sponges. So yes, let's talk about the brushes now. So these are the 6 brushes. On the body of this brush they have mentioned that these are from Real Techniques by Sam and Nick Champman, and on the other side they have mentioned that mentioned the name of the brush. So this one with the fluffy top is a multitask brush, and then there's another brush, then there's this brush, it's a buffing brush. And then there's this brush, this is a pointed foundation brush, and then there's this brush. I really like the color combination of all these brushes. They have maintained it so well. If this is a dupe, I trust me, the person who have done this has done an amazing job because this doesn't feel dupe in any way. And it's a setting brush, and then there's a very fine brush, it's the fine liner brush, it's a liner brush. And then there's come this Real Technique essential crease brush. So this is the brush they have said is a editorial a set exclusive. It's a set exclusive brush, so they have given it as an exclusive brush. So I have already tested all these brushes on my face. As you can see that I have already done my makeup. So you will see that in a second. So I really liked all these brushes, and they are very soft. They are like appropriate what a brush needs to be. If you want to know more about these brushes, please keep on watching. And also the prices, if these are real brushes, I trust me, like the price range is very good, like 669 for 3 brushes. That's too from Real Technique is difficult to get. Without any further ado, let's start the makeup using these brushes. So first, let me apply a moisturizer first. So the first brush I'm going to try is this one. This is a buffing brush and I'm going to use this for the foundation. I don't generally like the idea of applying my foundation with a brush. I prefer it applying with a beauty blender or with my hands. I am okay with that. I don't prefer. So sorry. I don't prefer applying it with a brush. So I will use this brush. This brush is very good. It's like blending it very evenly throughout my face, but I will not use it to like blend my foundation. I will use it for other work. Okay, for my concealer I'm going to use this brush. It's a pointed foundation brush, and as I said, I don't like applying foundation with a brush, so I will use, let's see if I like it with my concealer. It's like a flat tip brush. The quality is very good, very soft. Let's just blend it. I won't lie, I really liked how it helped in blending the concealer, but what I think is like beauty blenders help in blending the concealers and foundation more appropriately, and I'm not sad with the outcome. I'm okay with it. I like it. It's like normal to me. So the next brush I'm going to use is a powder brush. It's this fluffy brush right here. It's a multi-task brush. So I'm using this Fit Me Loose powder. I bought this recently. It's in the shade light medium. So yes, let's try the powder as well today. I'm gonna take little amount on my brush and just dust off. This is a great brush. I really liked it. I mean, it literally helped in setting everything so properly, and also I like the powder. I haven't used this Fit Me Loose powder earlier, so it's new product for me. I really like that product. But today we are going to talk about the brush. So the brush is very good. It is written that it's multitasking, so I am sure it will work great with blush and highlighters. So yes, it literally set all the foundation and concealer on my face properly. Okay, let's do our eyeshadow. For that I'm going to use these small fluffy brushes which we use for blending our eyeshadow. So it's written that it's a essential crease brush. I'm going to do like a little eyeshadow, not like a proper eyeshadow look. So I'm just going to use this brush. I'm not using any other brush to do my eyeshadow today. I'm just going to do it with this. I'm going to apply a single eyeshadow all over my lid. So I'm going with the pink one. Wow, it's so soft. I mean, the bristles of these brushes are so soft. I really like it. My eyeshadow had a little bit of fallout, but never mind. But I really like this brush. It's the proper brush for blending. It will help so much on blending your outer corners and everything else. But yeah, I really liked it so much. Let me do it on my other eye as well. I'm going to test the second last brush I have with me. It's also used for doing eye makeup, and it's a, wait a second, it's not coming out. So it's this very fine tipped brush, and it is a fine liner brush. It's a liner brush. It is used to do your eyeliner. So I'm going to take like a brown shade from here. So I'm going to take this brown shade and I'm going to do a liner on my eyes. So I think I will bring you guys a little bit closer. I think I'm close enough. Now you guys can see my eye properly. And now I'm going to do that eyeliner thing on my eye.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our...
So can you see I have created an eyeliner using an eyeshadow and this brush. This brush is thin. I will be very honest, it's very thin. But the tip is a little bit flat. It would have been better if it was like more thinner on the top, and it's like okay from the bottom it's okay, but it could have been thinner from the top. It just makes the application uneven. I've used an eyeshadow, but you can use a proper gel eyeliner to do your eyes with this brush. Now I am going to use our last brush from this set. It's the setting brush. So it's like this small it's like a small fluffy brush. It's a setting brush, but this would go very good with blushes and highlighter. So I will apply blush with this brush. So this is how it looks after applying everything with the brushes. Now I will go and put some mascara and a little bit of lipstick just to complete this look and come back. So I hope you like this video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and join with me in this journey of my YouTube. And your one precious subscribe means a lot to me. Whoever already subscribed, thank you so very much for subscribing to my channel. And please do subscribe to my channel and help me grow. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye. Take care.